I was going to ask you how many we're going to spot on 8.
Yeah, 1 west, 4 east. I mean, 3 east.
Are we going to put 5 cars on 8 west?
No, you're spotting 4 cars, 1 west and 3 east.
No. I'm talking about track 38. Are we going to put 5 cars on the west side of 38 later?
Yeah, it's 8's going to have 10 on it.
Ah, snap. Alright, see if you can do a hard stretch then. You can do it. I believe in you.
You're going to take me for this afternoon.
Copy. He's going right now to air you up.
Stand over, go, Pat. I'll holler at the 201, let him know. 202. Right behind 105. 202's over here, Mobest. They just grabbed their car at 9. They're going to hold here. Come on in. Both of you. Watch out.
All lined out.
Right, derail down. Get going all lined out.
112.
I'm losing my hair. Hang on.
I hooked up all the hoses and everything's open and it's closed back here. I don't hear any air leaking.
I must have plugged it.
That is correct. Half a car. 30. 20. 10. 5. Hey, good hook, one in between.
Yeah.
Hey Francisco, are you anywhere near the hook over on 1?
I'm not too sure. I can hop over and see.
Can you take this one? I'll do the other one.
Yeah, do you know how many are already on 1?
It's about 30 some cars, so there should be room for 20.
Alright, 2-point ground, yeah, just go with 2424 to a... Right, yeah, 2424 to a... That is a good job. 1515. 1515. Let's get that 2 rail together. All together on the east end. Appreciate you, thank you. Bend over. 277. 2. Pass 1. Half. 30. 20. 10. 5. Stop a stretch. No stretch required. There's a good hook. Go ahead and chop away. Need another radio. This one's already dead, I guess. I hear you loud and clear. Yeah, I know, but my radio's dead. Like, it's, yeah.
Open up the side gate if you need it. Line for 3, sir. Actually, you can make the hooks on 1. I'll just keep setting them up, or unless you already passed it, then you just keep going up to the switch.
Roger. I can make the next hook. I'm like 2 cars away.
One in between. One clear up on ground ahead, 5x5 to a hook.
Yeah, 5 to it.
That is correct. 2x2. Have a car. 30. 20. 10. 5. And stop. Oh yeah, one in between. One clear, back it up. What was that?
You gonna grab an 8?
Oh, I didn't know that was part of the plan.
Hey, you throw 2 over then 8. I don't care how you do it. You can throw 2 over, this over, then come back in, grab 8.
What is it? 3x3.
got 2 wedge buys here. 2 buys.
Yeah, I know. Alright, 2x2. Have car. 30, 20, 10, 5. Easy stop. And, looking like 11-1-1 to a hook.